So you might be wanting to go ahead and make a collage on your iPhone. Now, luckily for you, there's 20,000 different ways of going about this. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and hop inside of your app store and you want to download some sort of collage application. There are like thousands and thousands of these apps, so you can go ahead and decide which one you specifically want. In this case, we'll just choose one of these ones, right? This is the first one that I saw and it works pretty well. There's not too many upsells, so you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. In this case, we'll be using Photo Collage Collageable. So now what you want to do is you want to go and open up this application and install it. You want to basically allow access to all the photos. So just allow access to all the photos in your phone. As long as you're okay with that, then you should be okay. Now, if you want to create a collage, all you're going to want to do is tap on the little collage button up top, and you'll see tons of different collage templates available. So these ones are premium, but these ones that are already white are free. So you can choose whichever type of collage that you want. So in this case, let's say I want this type of template. What I can do is I can go ahead and tap on that template, and these blue lines indicate separate photos. So what I can do here is I can tap on one of these empty blocks, and I can go and bring a photo in. So what I can do is I can go and tap this, and I can go and bring in like this specific photo. So that will be like one template. I can tap on this other side, and I can go ahead and bring in a different photo. So in this case, let's say I want to bring in this specific photo. I can choose there, and I can choose that one. Now I can choose this side as well, and you can configure this whichever way you want to. And I can go and bring in this other photo. I'm surprised it's going to look pretty decent. So you can see this is an example of the collage. You can change these templates. You can choose whichever templates you want to, and you can change whatever photos you want. I mean, this is mine, but you can choose whatever yours you want to do. Now, when you're ready, you want to click this share button that's in the bottom right corner right there, and it's going to allow you to either post it somewhere, open in, or you can save it to camera roll. Just tap on save to camera roll, and then what you can do here is you can go ahead and click into photos, and you'll see that the photo will already be there. It doesn't look like there's any like water splash mark or anything, so it's completely it's a pretty decent template. And from here, you can post it on Instagram or pretty much do whatever you want to. So that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.